Happy birthday! I hope you have a good day, Angus. I'm sorry I can't make it, but you have a lovely time and I'm thinking of you. Happy birthday!
Hi Agnes, happy birthday! This is Katie.
Happy birthday, Agnes!
Happy birthday! We miss you. Come and work with us.
Come and work with me here in Gold
Yeah,
Coast.
we
Hello
miss
to
you.
everyone in Ballarat. Bye! Happy birthday, Agnes! 40 ka na. Next year pa ako. Anyway, miss na kita, miss ka na namin, miss ka na ng inaanak mo na hindi mo pa nakikita. Pero, for all the times na magkasama tayo dyan, thank you for everything. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pagiging true friend. Salamat. I wish matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo, mga wishes mo sa buhay. Sana magka-jowa ka na, lumandi ka naman kahit konti, pero aside from that, sana maging happy ka on and on forever with your family and your loved one, and of course with us. Happy birthday ulit!